Hello, and thanks for dropping by. This is Business 38. This is Computation, Spring 2014 here at West LA College. We're going to look at the organizing document for the class, which is the syllabus. What you see on the screen now is a cover for the textbook that we'll be using, Contemporary Mathematics for Business and Consumers by Robert Breckner. It's the 6th edition. What we're going to look at is the syllabus. And in this syllabus, as I said, this is the organizing document. It contains this section and the revision. It also contains the phone number, how you would get in touch with me if need be. Hopefully you don't need to use that. You'll use E2's PM. We also have the online office hours. Office hours are every Thursday at 7 p.m. and there we discuss any issues that may have come up during the week, any problems that you might have with particular concepts that we're covering, and I invite you to attend. You do get credit for attending office hours. Those are the only option that you have for extra credit. The next section in the syllabus are the SLOs. These are student learning objectives. In the student learning objectives, we've got the college student learning objectives. Primary one is critical thinking. That's what we're going to instill in you, hopefully. We're going to get some critical thinking skills. We have the program SLO. We're going to develop written skills. And we have the course SLO. And upon completion of this course, you should be able to do the following. Okay, we go down and we'll scroll through here. We're looking at the next section, which happens to be the required materials. There are only two things that are required for this class. It's the textbook, Contemporary Mathematics. The ISBN number is here, along with a basic function calculator. Now, insofar as the grades will be made up of three components. The first are module quizzes. There'll be about 12 quizzes. The total amount of points that you can get is 600 points. We'll have reflections. There are 10 reflections. Each reflection is worth 20 to 25 points, total of 200 points, and then there'll be a final paper which is worth 200 points. The total grade points that you can get is 1,000 points. Here's a letter grade. This is a breakout. 1,000 to 900 points is an A, 899 to 800 is a B, etc. Now, you'll have quizzes. There'll be module quizzes. These quizzes are multiple choice, and they shouldn't take any longer than about 30 minutes to complete. They are open book, and the key thing on this is that you have one try, and you only have 1 hour. These are timed tests. You only have 1 hour. You can pause the test, but it doesn't stop the clock. If you pause it to walk away, the clock is still running. After the clock runs out, the test is automatically submitted, and there is no retake. The next section is reflections. These are questions that are posed on various topics throughout the course, and you are to write a response to the question. Not only a response to the question, but you also should respond to one of your fellow classmates' answer. Don't use a quick answer like I agree or right. It's not acceptable, and you will not earn full credit. Class participation is assumed that you are going to participate, and you will get full credit for each reflection, and you'll only lose credit if you do not complete the reflection or you do less than the required number of responses. Attendance, you should attend the classes, at least expect to spend between 1 to 4 hours a week on the class. The assignments, they're all posted, and they have a due date, an opening date, and a due date. The final paper, these are the instructions for the final paper. They are very specific. Homework, there is really no homework. You should expect to devote time for study. These are information. This is information about student conduct. You can click on this link. It's an active link to see what student conduct policies are. If you're a student with disabilities, you can contact this phone number for the Campus Office for Students with Disabilities. Okay. Last thing is the online site, the help companion site. You can click on the link here, and it will take you to the online